In the bustling world of healthcare, a well-crafted CV is essential to increasing your chances of getting an interview. Imagine your CV as the bridge to your dream midwife job. Pursuing a midwifery role offers an inspiring and fulfilling challenge. With the right structure and content, your CV can bypass the barriers of applicant tracking systems, ensuring your application gets noticed. A midwife CV must include personal details, skills, relevant work experience, and qualifications. Align these core sections with the job description and organization's values to show your commitment to patient care and industry standards. Throughout your CV, focus on highlighting your clinical expertise and dedication to your patients. Showcase your clinical skills and qualifications prominently. Include any relevant courses, certificates, and professional memberships. This not only highlights your expertise, but also your commitment to continuous professional development. Your personal profile is your chance to shine. This short paragraph should spotlight vital soft skills and a passionate attitude central to your role in delivery and postnatal. Tailor your profile to align with your career goals and the specific job application. Focus on soft skills like empathy, communication, and teamwork. These are crucial in midwifery. A compelling profile can set you apart, showcasing your passion and dedication to patient-centered care. Present your work experience clearly and concisely. Highlight achievements and relevant courses that are related to the job description. Use a professional format and targeted keywords to ensure your CV stands out to both hiring managers and applicant tracking systems. By crafting a standout CV, you enhance your job prospects significantly. Take action today. Refine your CV, align it with industry standards, and open the door to your next career opportunity.